In today's video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp cannot change number. So if you're trying to change a number and trying to add in a new number to your WhatsApp account, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now what simply happens in most cases is people forget to change their number on the old phone. As it says right here, if you have both a new phone and a new number, first change your number on the old phone. So you need to follow the exact first process. Only then you'll be able to successfully add in the new number, or will be able to change the number within WhatsApp. But however, if this is not the case for you, you'll also need to make sure that the phone number that you're adding in is fully supported, because unsupported phone numbers, including landline or toll-free numbers, you would not be able to add in within WhatsApp. So also make sure to check that out. And lastly, if none of these solutions are working out for you, this simply could be that your SIM is not active. So make sure that your SIM is currently active and is currently receiving phone calls and SMS as well. So once you ensure that, you should be able to fix WhatsApp cannot add number. That's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.